Congratulations on the purchase of your new chest freezer. Today I'll walk you through the basic installation steps. First, remove all the shipping materials, hardware bag, and ligature. Next, install the door handle and lock. Align the handle base with the pre-drilled holes. Use the 4 screws found in the hardware bag to secure the handle. Now, attach the lock. Now gently lay the freezer on its side. Slide the casters into the rails and secure with the provided screws. Using 2 people, stand the freezer to the upright position. To turn the freezer on, press the power button. The blue LED light will illuminate. It could take up to 30 seconds for the running light to illuminate and for the compressor to start. To change between refrigerator and freezer mode, use the set button. Continue to press the set button to reach the desired level. It is recommended to use levels 1 and 2 for refrigerator mode and levels 3 through 7 for freezer mode. If you need to quickly cool down the freezer, use the super mode, and the compressor will run continuously until the desired temperature is reached. To turn the freezer off, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found these tips helpful. If you need service, please reach out to your local W service provider.